Want to set your status in Microsoft Teams so coworkers know when you're available, busy, or away. In this guide, I'll show you how to change your status, set a status duration, create a status message, and reset everything when you're done. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and select your profile picture at the top right. Then select your current status to see the available options. Teams uses your status to show others whether you're available or currently unavailable. Here you'll find options such as available, busy, do not disturb, be right back, away, and appear offline. Choose the one that matches what you're doing. For example, use busy when you're working but still want notifications, or do not disturb when you need focused time without interruptions. Keep in mind that Teams can change your status automatically. For example, your status can switch from available to away when your computer is locked or becomes idle. Teams can also automatically show that you're in a meeting or on a call. If you only want a status for a certain amount of time, select your profile picture, choose your current status, and select duration. Pick the status you want, choose how long it should last, and select Done. Teams will automatically reset your status when that period ends. You can also add a status message to explain what you're doing. Select your profile picture, then choose Set Status Message. Type your message, decide whether it should appear when people message or mention you, choose when it should clear, and select Done. There's a quicker method on the Teams desktop app. Select the search box or a message box and type a / command. For example, /available sets your status to available, /busy sets it to busy, and /dnd sets do not disturb. You can also use commands like /away, /brb, and /offline. If you want to return to your normal status before the duration ends, open your profile, select your current status, and choose Reset Status. You can also simply select another status. This is useful when you're finished with focused work or no longer need to appear busy. Finally, remember that your team's status is affected by your activity, calendar, and device state. So, if your status changes unexpectedly, check whether your computer is idle or whether you're currently in a meeting or call. And that's how to set your status in Microsoft Teams. Choose the right status, add a message when needed, set a duration for temporary changes, and reset it when you're finished.